Got another swarm right here. Notice they're flying everywhere. Looks like most of them's going to this tree right here. They're kind of hanging around it. I don't even have a suit on. I mean, they're not even aggressive. There's probably, I don't know, a couple thousand bees flying around me. So I'm assuming whenever they swarm, they don't even care about anything else. I guess they're just trying to get to wherever it is they're going. Or follow the queen, I don't know. But I mean, they're everywhere. They're not even touching me or anything. Looks like a majority of them's going right here. So I'm gonna let them all get on this bush right here, and then I'm gonna hunt down the queen. And then I'll probably have me another hive. I mean, if you can see, I mean, they're everywhere. I just cut the limb off and I put it in here. I added another box and I set the limb inside this box here. So they're all in there. I'll get my smoker here in a minute. I'll push them all down into this one. And I'll take this top one off. But I'm assuming the queen's in there because all the ones that were straggling along, they've all left over here. And they're making their way in the box. So I'll let them get comfortable real quick. I'll put me a queen cage here on the front. Keep that queen from leaving. And I'll keep it on there for a few days. And hopefully she gets in there and she starts laying. Alright, we're going to check out the bees swarm I just caught probably about 3 hours ago. I've already got that top box off. I had the limb in it and I smoked them all down to this bottom one. Put me a pollen patty in there. And as you can see, they're eating it up. That's real high in protein. Gets them through winter. Every new hive, I like to put a pollen patty on there. Usually I'll put a jar of sugar water on there, but I don't think I'm going to do it with these. I think that pollen patty will be good enough. They're doing good. They're in and out, bringing in that good stuff. Here in a couple weeks or so, I should get me some honey out of them, hopefully. Wake up, make me a good butter biscuit, and put some honey on it. They looking good.